Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how you can create Salesforce leads from a chatbot in Botpress. To demonstrate that, I have created a bot for a company that sells tractors, and let's check it out. So I'm going to initiate the conversation with the bot. I pre-wrote this sales inquiry where the potential buyer lists the size of their farm, what type of crops they grow, what kind of features they're interested in, and so on. Let's input the name and email. And now if I head to my Salesforce account, I can see that a new lead has been created. And if I open it and navigate to the details, I can see that not only it created the name and the email, but it also extracted the type of crops that the farmer grows, what features they're interested in, what power of tractor they need. And also we have specified that we have a 2-hectare farm, but we transformed the hectares into acres. Also, we added the conversation summary as well as the full conversation transcript. So in order for you to connect your Salesforce account with your bot, you would need to open your bot in Studio, open integrations, search Salesforce integration, install it, enable it, copy the webhook URL, paste it into your browser, and here you'll need to authenticate with Salesforce, and you're ready to go. Now you can use an array of Salesforce actions available on the left. Thank you for watching and happy bot building.